Hello, my name is Zach Gibson, and I'm here in representation of New Balance Baseball. This quick slidecast today will be generally explaining what will be expected of you as a prospective New Balance representative wanting to be a part of our new expansion into the youth baseball markets of the Caribbean. Our goal as a company is to increase our brand and baseball goods in this area to the level of the Nikes and the Rawlings of the world. Our game plan for this expansion is centered around building personal relationships with these young and talented baseball players. This will occur by allowing these underprivileged players to promo, or in other words, sample our products. We trust in the quality of our gear, so we are confident that these players will like it. As these players progress in their careers, they will continue the use of our products. This will lead to the word of New Balance Baseball spreading through the grapevine, and other players will want to use our gear as well. Obviously, these relationships will have to be cultivated. Our initial expansion plan of Cuba, the Dominican Republic, and Puerto Rico are all primarily Spanish-speaking countries, and thus a certain level of Spanish proficiency will be required for these assignments. For this reason, natural Spanish speakers will be preferred, as we believe they will have the best opportunity of spreading the word of our brand. The strategy that we want our employees to implement is to create personal relationships with all members of the local community. This will help you to find the best local baseball talent. When the opportunity arises, we need to focus on keeping the conversation respectful and informal. Talk to the players about things that they want to talk about, so mostly baseball. Ask about favorite teams, recent games, and anything else that may come up. The target audience that we want to focus on are the best and brightest talents. I want this job treated almost as if you were a baseball scout. Travel to and watch games and meet with any players you can post-game. The target audience will mainly be players aged 12 to 18. This is because we want the New Balance brand to be popular in the next wave of great baseball talent from the Caribbean region. In order to ensure that we do not intimidate these kids, we need to appear informal and approachable rather than overly professional. Each employee on this assignment will be packed with a wardrobe full of New Balance gear so that our reps can always stay branded. I want our gear to be in the forefront of the mind of anyone that our reps talk to. Before you can hop on your flight to the tropical paradise in which you are assigned, you must accomplish a couple simple but important tasks. The first priority is to pass our Spanish proficiency test. This test will be rigorous in order to ensure that you are ready for the task ahead. You also will have to get the basics all figured out, such as a passport, a work visa, and the proper immunizations. Finally, it is expected that you get on that plane with an in-depth knowledge of the area in which you are assigned. We don't want any wasted time. We want our employees ready to rock and roll as soon as they arrive on Caribbean soil. Hopefully, after this screencast, you have a general understanding of what will be expected of you on this assignment. Just remember the basics, be personable, and always promote the brand. We want this to be enjoyable for our employees while still being an effective marketing strategy. Thank you for your time, and study up on your Espanol.